beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. What changes or what positive blessings are coming your way, friends? Yes, and this is one of the requested readings. Many of you requested this reading, so here it is now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. And yes, make sure to subscribe so you can win a free reading. Everyone who subscribes, one of the random subscribers will be selected for a lucky free reading at the end of every month. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like and share, friends. This is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot, and you can buy your own personal 2021 readings. They are really very helpful for your year ahead and planning and knowing what will happen, how things will be. So make sure to grab yours now, personal reading. So let's take a deep breath, relax. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1, the beautiful blue card, throat chakra. Option number 2, this beautiful base chakra. Option number 3, this beautiful crown chakra. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. And I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can go there and directly skip to the number. You can choose by color or by the timestamps. You can also pause the video if you need more time in choosing. So let's see for file number 1 what positive changes are coming your way, friends. Let's see that. Yes, for file number 1 who chose this beautiful throat chakra, let's see what positive blessings or changes are on your way to you. This is your advice, this is your extra oracle messages. I'll be pulling extra messages if required. Okay, I think I shifted the camera. Yeah, that's better. So let's see your cards, friends. 8 of Wands. Wow, communications are coming your way. Absolutely. I feel something was stuck in your life, or there was no communications, or maybe there was no excitement in your life, because 5 is a number of change. So I do feel communications are coming your way. Communications that you were waiting for, possibly. Strength, the number 8. I again 8 of wands and 8 of strength, so definitely something fated, something destined is coming your way. I also see that this is I do feel some positive health changes are coming your way. Are you struggling with health changes, or you want better health in your life, or I think some sort of a success that you have been waiting for is coming towards you. Yes. Let's see more cards. 5 of cups. Oh wow, someone is missing you again. A 5. Let's see more cards. Magician. The 6 of cups, the world, and the knight of wands. I do feel, friends, some disappointments. Some You are disappointed in something. There is some disappointments that are affecting you. Maybe life did not go as you planned, or some situation is not going as you planned it, whether it is in love, work, or career, or maybe your health isn't going as you expected. I feel, friends, positive changes are coming your way. Yes, you will find relief from this letdown. Yes, you are going to find relief. I also feel that some of you are trying to manifest something. Maybe it is a new relationship, or a job, or a reunion with a lover. Yes, it is going to happen. Some sort of a some sort of you're manifesting something and you were stuck in it, you were not able to manifest it. I think that is going to be shifting. Positive changes are, some positive manifestations are coming your way, your wishes are coming true. I also feel that someone is missing you, someone from your childhood, or your lover, your twin flame. Someone is missing you, and they are, I feel, coming towards you. They are also missing you, and I do see some communication will happen with this person, or some sort of, maybe in dreams you will communicate because you have the throat chakra, or they will communicate with a message or something. I do feel some opportunities are coming your way. work opportunities, or maybe you are waiting to hear from some long distance work opportunity or some job, career, exam. You're waiting for some news. It is coming. I also feel that some of you, someone is going to step out of their comfort zone. Someone has been not talking to you, they have been turning their back. You felt ignored by that person. Probably your ex husband, wife, or husband, wife, or twin flame, or lover, or soulmate. They are going to talk with you, and or you are going to move out of that disappointment and find someone new. Both energies are here. The Knight of Wands, something new, something exciting is also on its way towards you. So it's 50-50. For some of you, this past person is definitely missing you, and they are gonna call you, message you, or you will have some dreams or some messages about this person, and the reunion will happen. I also feel for others, you will be moving out of this past disappointments, and you will be manifesting someone new, an exciting relationship, an exciting partner, Aries, Leo, Sag person, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is coming very quickly towards you. So a lot of things are happening. I also see you're manifesting, friends. If you're manifesting or praying for something, yes, it is going to happen for you. Yes, it is going to happen. Strength card, I do see that your health is going to improve. Maybe some of you are missing, you're, missing some boost or vitality or some excitement in life. That is also going to happen. What positive changes are coming towards pile number one? I feel some of you will be studying something new, something exciting. Maybe life is a little boring right now for you. You feel like, no fun at all. But something you are going to study, or some opportunity is going to come which will make things exciting for you. Like some project comes, so you get excited by it. Sorrow, Nine of Swords. Yeah, you're going to, this anxiety sitting alone, that's going to change. I do feel some of you are going to find more friends, people to hang out, or people who can connect with you. Existence, Ace of Wands. Swords, I do feel, friends, some sort of a breakthrough is coming your way. Yes, something is stuck, and something will happen which will make things very passionate or exciting in your life. You're stepping out, something is finishing and something new is starting for you. That's the positive change coming for you. For option number one, what other things, what positive changes are coming? Okay, that was interesting the way it jumped. Five of comparisons. I do feel maybe some of you are comparing your life with others, and that is the reason of your unhappiness. Maybe you are feeling that right now, other people have a lot, or maybe someone left you for another person and you feel they have too much than you have, or maybe someone is ignoring you, so you feel like life is unfair in some way. But I feel this will change, because you see this green shoot. I feel things are manifesting for you. It is just a matter of time. Things will get better. Things will, in fact, better things are in your destiny. The Knight of Swords, fighting. Yeah, don't give up, friends. Don't give up. You're very close to achieving a goal. So that is, you may feel right now like everyone has got something better, but your life is at the same as it was. I think it is not the same. Something you're manifesting, it is about to change. When your time comes, things will be great, and it's almost there. The Eight of Wands, the Magician, the World, the Moment to moment, Two of Pentacles. I do see, friends, you should not live in the past or the future too much, because it is causing you some worry. I would suggest you to enjoy this present moment and make some. Keep manifesting. You are a powerful manifester. How do I say this? Keep praying. Your prayers are being heard, even though you are not rebirth. Look at that, a major rebirth is coming for you. You should not be so worried about if things are late. We are always in divine timing. There is no late or early in divine timing, and we must enjoy whatever time we have. So good things are coming. You are on the right path. Don't worry so much. Let's see. And don't stay like others have too much and you don't. I think your time is coming. When you have your good luck, everybody will be like, oh my god, that's amazing. So your good luck might be more than theirs. Not for you. Yeah, you are upset because some things didn't go your way. Some plans, some wishes, some person didn't choose you. You're hurt. It's hurting you. Maybe you were looking for a job, it didn't happen. But I think this is a blessing in disguise. The things which are not working are destiny. It is taking you somewhere else which is meant for you here and now. Again, look in the present. Don't look in the past, don't look in the future. Focus on the present. This moment has a lot of potential for you. So focus on what you can change, or focus on what you can manifest right now. Let's see what else. What else file number one needs to keep in mind. Option number one, forgiveness. Yeah, don't be so hard on yourself, friends. You need to forgive yourself. You tried your best. If someone doesn't understand, or they don't value you, maybe it's parents, maybe it's a family member, or maybe it is a past lover, ex-husband or wife. If they don't value you, maybe it's your twin flame. It's okay. It's okay. Sometimes it's not meant to be. Maybe in the other point, I think you're also being very hard on yourself. You're like, we tried everything, nothing works. We are gonna give up. No giving up. It's be patient, friends. I know it's not the word we wanna hear in 2020, patience, but we are close to achieving. You're close to achieving a goal. Freedom, yes, you are going to find the freedom. Freedom to do whatever you want, freedom to go wherever you want to go. And look at that, huge transformations, blessed changes are coming your way, and it is something you're manifesting. So don't worry, friends, you're on the right path and things are going. In fact, I see a lot of excitement coming your way. Things will be exciting, things will be strong. If in future relationships that are coming for you, or friendships or soulmate connections, they are solid. They are beautiful, and even someone from your past will return, and it's a good connection. Things will be better. Solitude, yeah, enjoy this solitude, because I see that in the future you are going to be extremely busy. Look at that. Again, patience. Friends, you are very, very close to achieving a goal. Don't give up. Let's see some advice for you. Wow, morning affirmations. Say positive affirmations each morning to open the path of gates of manifestations. Yeah, definitely. I think you should wake up and every day say some, thank you, or like, hey, this is going to be an amazing day and I'm recovering, or I'm doing excellently. I also post a lot on the YouTube community and even on Instagram. I post a lot of affirmations so that at least one moment we can think of something nice, because usually our mind is our mind. We are all humans. So yes, some wishes are coming true, friends, and look how she's looking up at the sky. Light is coming, so don't worry, things are going great for you, and I see a lot of excitement and a reunion and some good friendships and exciting possibilities, opportunities coming your way, friends. I want to pull you some romance angels. Just a second. So let's see some romance angels messages for file number one. What's coming next for them? Healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. See, definitely some forgiveness is there, and I see your relationships are healing. So don't worry, free yourself. It's time to take back control. I definitely feel you are in a very powerful energy, friends. Absolutely, you are healing. I think not just. This is a very deep reading actually to go into. I see a very, very deep connection. You are healing a lot of past life karma, and it is a good thing. And free yourself. And I do see that things which are not happening right now are actually making way for good things in life. So great things are coming for you. Don't worry, pile number one. And make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share, and join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. Hi, beautiful angels. For those who chose option number two, let us see what beautiful, exciting changes are coming your way. So, for those who chose this option number two, red color, let's see what's gonna come next for you. Some exciting, positive changes. This is your advice. These are your oracle messages. We'll be pulling extra cards also, so don't worry. Seven of Pentacles, you are waiting for something. So something that you are waiting for is going to happen soon. I see some of you are waiting for money. Others of you are waiting for some love. or you're waiting for something and it is going to happen or come towards you. Success, yes, some of you are waiting for success in work or money, maybe a promotion, maybe you are waiting for some jobs to happen or interview calls to go through, or maybe you're waiting for success in life. Yes, it is coming. Money, yes, it is coming. That's the positive change coming for you. Eight of Swords, I do feel you are feeling very upset or restricted right now. You are feeling very blocked. This is not a fun energy, and I also see a lot of conflicts are happening within you. Maybe there is a difference of opinion, or there is a lot of fights going on, arguments. Maybe it is within you or in your people around you, like family, lovers. Maybe you are arguing with someone because they are not ready to take things forward with you in love life or at work or in family. Things are stuck and someone is arguing, or maybe you feel you are stuck and there is your head and mind saying different things. So there is a conflict. But the good news is, I see that it is going to be resolved. You are going to find a solution. The Knight of Swords. So, yes, clarity is coming your way. Congratulations. Peace of mind is coming your way. And also, some sort of a relief is coming from all this conflict and blocked energy. I do see you, since you chose this one card. I see power struggles. Maybe you are struggling with power. Maybe you feel in some situation that you are not powerful, or how do I say things? Maybe there is someone who is behaving egoistically, they are not open to you. There will be peace, friends. There will be peace. Don't worry about it. Clarity is coming, peaceful people are coming, and look at that, the Hermit. Yes, your wisdom and your. I think someone maybe at work is challenging you, like, hey, you are not wise, you can't, maybe someone is doing that. There's a hair strand. I just wanted to remove it. So, yeah, someone, I also feel maybe someone is not talking to you, or they are like, yeah, they are behaving a little egoistically, a lover, a soulmate, a twin flame. Peace is coming your way. So, congratulations. Victory is coming your way. Your wisdom is going to be appreciated. Your knowledge is going to be appreciated. Work success is coming your way. Money is coming your way. And I feel right now you don't have any people who understand or will want to work with you. So, good things is coming, that helpful people are coming your way, people who understand you, people who are have the same point of views and who think like you, they are coming. So that positive change is coming your way, harmony is coming your way. uh, People finding peace of you know people who are aligned are coming towards you. Temperance, balance is coming in your life. Yeah, you feel like really, sometimes you are working, sometimes all the time there is like this weight, there is this conflict, there is, you feel like you don't know what to do, there is this massive frustration. What am I supposed to do? Your question is, uh get along with people, don't try and change them, they won't change. Secondly, be patient. Your wisdom, your patience is going to be appreciated, whether at work, whether in love or in family. This will be appreciated. Your wisdom, your knowledge, your patience, and something will balance your life. Yes, this imbalance is going to be resolved. So don't worry, stay patient. I do feel you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or maybe you are dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, friends. Don't worry, maybe someone, be proud of who you are. That's what I feel. Be patient, take a step back, don't indulge in power struggles. Things are going to get better, balance is coming. Things won't always be this way, stuck and, confusing, frustrating. Three of Cups, some celebrations are coming. I definitely see some of you have your birthdays, or maybe it is your friend's birthday. Something beautiful is going to happen for you. Some celebrations, some good news, some reunions with friends and family is also going to happen. So get ready. Something nice is coming. Let's see some extra messages. For pie, I see money also coming. Like if you are waiting for money or refunds, yes, money is coming. Maybe some of you will start, if you have started a job or a business, you haven't received any money. Yes, it's coming, it's on your way. Keep working. Option number 2. What positive changes are coming their way? Okay. Compromise. The Six of Pentacles. Yeah, I do feel, friends, it is time, if you're trying to fight with someone, you may be right, you may be right, you are doing the right things, but if you are expecting this person to change, it's not going to happen. So you take a distance, you step back and let them keep the opinion. It's all right, it doesn't matter. Projections, yeah, there is a very strong connection here with someone who could be your twin flame, or it could be your lover, soulmate. You both you this person is a little scared. Maybe it is your parents who don't want you to go out, like go something in, they are not letting you go out, or maybe it is a lover who's not understanding, they are in their ego. So there is a lot of fears being projected. But it's okay, go with the flow, don't fight it. Ace of Cups, I do see a new love offer coming your way. I do see healing happening in a relationship. So congratulations. And compromising, if you compromise, some compromise is going to happen, which will be a win-win outcome for you and everybody involved, the outsider. You definitely feel like, you are, you feel like destiny is not at all with you. Luck is testing you. You are like, why? You also feel like left out of many things in life. But I think, friends, Ace of Cups, happiness is coming for you, celebrations, money is coming. So it's just give it some time. Keep working on what you are doing. Don't give up. This is not the time to give up or change your career. No, this is a time to keep working on what you are doing. To the Five of Wands, again, see, the Five of Wands is here, and again the card has come from a different. So don't, I think maybe some of your heart is saying one thing, your mind is saying something. So focus on finding a balance, and even that balance is coming on its own. So don't worry. The Rebel, okay. Oh my God, the Hierophant. You are definitely a rebel in your family, or you are making choices which are quite unexpected, or you want to just change the world. You want new things in life. Everything will happen, friends. Everything will happen for you. Whatever your dreams are, which may not be making sense to anybody, you will achieve it, friends. You will achieve it. Just don't give up. Keep working at it. Morality, again, the Queen of Swords is here. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I do feel you should listen, you should find a balance between your heart and mind, otherwise things are going to be a little confusing. So you need to find that. Peace, yes, peace is coming for you. Number 23, a lot of peace is coming towards you. That's the positive change. You are different, and I think people are going to recognize and appreciate your wisdom, your differences, the unique gifts you have, and you are blessed. Number 22, so yes, you are extremely blessed. You might be seeing a lot of 111, 222. So it's a sign that angels and the universe is protecting you. So stay focused. Let us see some what you need to keep in mind. Pile number 2. Some celebrations are coming. Whose birthday? I think you're also going on a wedding. I see you going on a wedding. But please take some precautions. Enlightenment. Look at that. Friends, you are awakening. See, people are going to notice you. People are going to notice that you are wise. You have something important to say. Those people who are right now not listening to you, they are going to listen and they are going to honor you. So don't worry. Don't worry. Good changes are coming. Happiness is coming, lots of happiness, lots of celebrations, a happy, soulmate relationship is coming. You have a lot of potential, friends. A lot of potential is there in your relationships and in you. So get ready, your potentials will be explored and you will get your success. Let's see your advice. A new dawn. This is beautiful. The worst is now behind you. Positive new experiences are on the horizon. So, yeah, bad things are bye bye now. Good things are coming your way. So, don't worry so much. This is a new dawn that's coming towards you. Let's see some romance angels messages. What is next? What positive change? Ooh, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. I see someone may have left you, or maybe they are, if someone left you in the past, they are going to miss you a lot, friends. They are going to regret that you are the potential for them, you know. They are going to get enlightened and they're gonna miss and they're gonna see the potential you have, you know. Let's see what else. True love, this is the romance of a lifetime. Yes, some of you are going to meet your true love. It is going to happen. Maybe you are in separation with them, or maybe this is a new person for some of you. Pay attention to the red flags, the signs are cautioning you. I do feel, friends, you need to be careful. Uh, because you are very powerful, so there might be people who you know, you need to, enlightenment is here, friends, so you need to follow your intuition. If something is off about a new connection, it might be off. Retreat, it is time to disconnect from the world. So I do feel, friends, it is time to focus on your goals, your life purpose. And because I do see love coming your way and a powerful union coming with someone, like look at this dolphin, something beautiful is coming your way. And I don't think so spirit wants to tell you what it is right now, because the cards are quite you know, some things the spirit keeps when it is time, only then those locks are opened and shown, you know. It is like those future mail, you know, it will be delivered to us when we need it, not now. So yeah, true love is coming your way. Just now focus on yourself, your goals, healing on your life. And that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye. For those who chose option number 3, let us see what positive changes are coming your way. The crown chakra, very beautiful. Number 7, very high vibrational card. This is your advice, friends. This is your oracle messages. We'll be pulling more cards, so let's see first. Wow, chariot, powerful travel, you know, momentum is coming, momentum, forward progress, things moving forward. If you were feeling stuck in a situation, things are going to move forward. And I also see some balance coming into your life, like, you know, balance in all areas of your life, messages from long distance friends, or some, you know, lot of movement is coming, you know, lot of movement. Ace of Wands, excitement is coming, friends. A lot of things, a lot of excitement, a lot of opportunities that will make you feel excited. Maybe you are starting a new job soon in the future, that is coming. I see some of you are going to uh, travel, or maybe someone is traveling towards you, a news or a person, and it will make you quite excited, you know. I do see someone is going to compliment your beauty or your fitness, or maybe your health, like your hairs are very beautiful, so healthy, your skin is glowing, or maybe someone is like, wow, you have so much stamina, you are so hardworking. So some compliments are coming your way, friends. Queen of Cups, wow, love is coming your way, friends. Absolutely, satisfaction, emotional satisfaction is coming your way. Woohoo! Congratulations. Star, wow. Your wishes are going to come true, friends. Some of you are working for, you know, your creativity is going to be very, very high. So get ready. Some of you are going to feel you may be starting work on something you really enjoy, or that you know, that is your creative. Maybe you are dancing, painting, or you start modeling or something, or maybe it is something that you always wanted to do but it never happened earlier. So some creativity is coming your way, and some wishes absolutely are going to come true. It is what is coming next is the wish come true moment for you. So congratulations. Fool, a new start is coming for you, friends. Absolutely. I see most of you are planning to travel, or you are planning to live in a beautiful home, in a beautiful country, city, or something nice. Yes, it is going to happen. Some of you may be planning to travel, or maybe you have to travel for work, or some colleges or universities very soon. Yes, it will happen. I do feel it will happen in a way that is safe, and it will make you feel very happy. The moon, wow, again a lot of creativity, friends. If you are, if I don't know if you have creative skills, or I think everyone has creative skills and gifts, so you might be meeting your creative gifts like dancing, painting, singing. Maybe you can play an instrument, you are musicians, or maybe a lot of things are coming your way. Creativity is super high. I also see a very passionate and a very exciting relationship is coming your way. So, congratulations. It could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. It could be that both of you are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. It could also be this person is an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Justice. Wow, I do see a victory is coming your way, friends. It is a destined victory, and I do see that if someone hurted you in the past, you are going to recover from that. If someone, if someone you had a broken marriage, or someone cheated on you, or someone left you, you were someone in the job did you wrong, you are going to recover from all that, and so powerfully that it is going to everyone is going to be amazed. The Two of Pentacles, I do see that you will be very busy ahead, so get ready to enjoy the free time right now, because many times I have seen people right now are like, oh, it's boring. I would say, friends, it's not boring. Enjoy this free time, because ahead we might have a lot of work on our hands. Usually when life or everything starts, we tend to get busy, right? We don't have that much of free time. Sundays are there, we wait for Sundays and they go so quickly. So enjoy this free time. You're gonna be really busy very soon. Nine of Swords. I see relief from health issues is coming your way. Anxiety, depression, mental, emotional health issues. You are going to recover from that. Absolutely. There is no doubt about it. And yes, someone has hurted and cheated on you, as I told you. If it could be a friend, it could have been a lover, or someone from you worked with. You will find justice, you will find recovery from that. You will recover in a very powerful way, and I also feel some justice will be offered to them. Page of Pentacles, I do see new work opportunities are coming your way. And money is also coming, but more than money, I see excitement. You're very excited about something you're going to start very soon. It could be a love relationship, yes, a very creative, a very romantic love relationship where you both may have age difference, but you both inspire each other a lot, support each other a lot. You both are like the star and the moon. You both are like this together always. You both understand each other, the star and the moon, the star and the moon. So yeah, it is an interesting and crown chakra, so it is a very spiritual healing connection for you. It could also be a friend. For some of you, it could be a spiritual guide or a mentor coming your way. I see it as a relationship or a project which is for work, which makes you very excited. Let's see some extra advice. What's happening? What's coming? What blessings are coming? Oh, I wanted to shuffle them. I don't know why they just gonna come out like that. I'll shuffle them and then I'll pick. Experiencing Three of Wands. Yes, expansion is coming. Yes, some things which you have started or you will be starting soon, they will have a lot of potential for expansion. It will expand your life, relationships. Wow, your cards are jumping. Look at that. They just want to jump, jump, jump. Please shuffle them, angels. Let me shuffle them. I think your life, if you are stepping into new things in life very soon, and it will expand your life, it will expand your horizons. Like you are working from home, but you are connected to a lot of people worldwide, and you're meeting new creative souls, so a lot of excitement is coming. Some of you could be getting married in the future, and I also see it as a destined partnership, destined marriage for you. I also see that some of you will be meeting the person whom you are destined to marry, and you will know they are the one because it is the crown chakra. You will know it when you see them. Ordinariness, Eight of Pentacles. You will be very busy, friends, so get ready. Two of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. Money is coming your way, absolutely, and a lot of busy. You'll be busy, lots of things to do. Four of Cups, turning within. Yeah, it is time to focus on what is going on within you rather than outside, because you will be busy. So enjoy the happy and peaceful times right now, as I told you. Existence, number one. I do feel great things are happening, friends. Great things are manifesting or unfolding for you very soon. So keep working. Five of Cups, clinging to the past. I do feel, friends, you need to do one thing, that let go of the past. Know there are people who have hurted you, disappointed you, caused you pain, but it is time to let it go and keep your heart and your. You should be excited. Something beautiful is coming your way. I do see a twin flame wants to reunite with you, and I do see they will reunite in the right time. A passionate connection is going to happen. Nothingness, Five of Wands. I do feel, friends, the past has nothing to offer you now, so forget it. Why bother about it also, it has nothing to offer you. But the future has a lot to offer you. The past caused you a lot of conflict. The past caused you a lot of doubt, self doubt, and the past also oppressed you. But it is all done, it is all over. I do feel someone or something was oppressing or blocking you, but it's done, friends. Destiny is now with you. You are very strongly protected. Your wishes are going to come true. Let us see what you need to keep in mind right now. Any advice? What you need to keep in mind, pile number 3. Wisdom. You are very wise, friends. Whatever happened in the past, you have learned from it and you have grown in wisdom. It won't happen again. You can be safe. You can open your heart, trust on love. Community. Yes, you are going to meet people who are exactly like you, or who are your friends, who are your soul family, soul tribes. So if someone let you down, don't let it close your heart, because good people are coming. And leadership, yes, I do see some of you are going to lead, especially in creative musicians, singers, actors, dancers, maybe as teachers, as parents. You are going to be a stunning example of that, stunning examples, great things coming your way. Mending, yes, your heart is mending, your relationships are mending, your life is changing positively. Congratulations. No place like home. I do see some of you are going to find the right home that is yours, or you are going to find the right person that you can have a home or family with. So congratulations. This is beautiful. I think some of you want that, a home, a family, or someone to call your own. It is going to happen. And you will know it, because you already know this. It is your destiny. Helpful This is so beautiful. Helpful person is coming your way. Someone wants to help you. Think of whom that might be and initiate contact. I do see a lot of good people coming your way, trying to help you, trying to make you feel happy. So a lot of good connections and a lot of positivity is coming your way, both at work and in love. So yeah, let's pull you some romance angels for you, and make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wens Tarot, friends. Make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. I do feel there is a great love story waiting for you. Yes, maybe it is for some of you a reunion with the past, but I feel it is something new coming, brand new, something exciting coming your way. Yes. Codependency, addictions are affecting your romantic life. I do feel somewhere you are still attached with the past. So make peace with it. Make peace with it. Maybe if it's destined, this person will come back. If not, I do see there is a great love, Great love is coming your way. It is already yours. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. I do feel someone is going to express the love to you. I told you someone is going to compliment your health, your vitality, your eyes, your hair, something about you. Maybe like you have a beautiful voice. They're gonna say you have a beautiful voice. That's all. That's what you say to me also. Thank you so much. I love it when you say that. I read everything that you write, friends. I read, and I try to comment and reply back to all of you. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. See, something is coming, friends. Something exciting is coming your way. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye.